It's funny. Area! Yay! Click the subscribe button.
Cool. Hey everybody, thanks for joining. Today, what are we gonna learn?
What is area?
That's right. Let's get started. Area basically tells us how much square units does this face take up. And there's a way to calculate that. First, we need our coordinate grid. There it goes. What shape is that?
Rectangle.
That's correct. Now, there's several ways to find the area of this rectangle. Let's say that each square represents 1 inch. Well, if we look at the bottom, how many squares are there? I count 9. And what about the height? 1, 2, 3, 4. I count 4. So the base is 9 and the height is 4. One way we can calculate the area is by simply counting all of the squares inside of this rectangle. But an easier way would just be to multiply.
Base times height.
And that will give us the area. So can anyone tell me what 9 inches times 4 inches is?
36 inches squared.
That's correct. We just have to multiply base times height. Next shape.
Triangle.
What is the relationship between a rectangle and a triangle? I hope you said half. So we know to find the area of a rectangle is base times height. And what do we need to do to that rectangle to create a triangle? Well, cut it in half. So what's the formula to find the area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
That's right. In this case, our base is 8 inches and our height is 6 inches. So if we were to find the area of the rectangle, it would be 8 times 6, which is 48, but a triangle is half of a rectangle. So what's half of 48 inches squared?
24 inches squared.
Nice! 24 inches squared. I just want to look at one more shape.
Circle.
That's right. So for this one, the formula is
Pi times radius squared.
Now when we talk about pi, we use 3.14. That's approximately what pi is equivalent to. Now, hopefully you know that the distance from one side of a circle to the other is called the diameter. And half of that is called the radius. So if we look at the diameter of this circle, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 inches or 8 square units. And half of that is the radius, which is 4. So all we need to do is multiply 3.14 times the radius, which is 4, to the second power. So 3.14 times 16 is 50.24 inches squared. So just a quick recap. To find the area of a rectangle, it's
Base times height.
to find the area of a triangle, it's
Base times height divided by 2.
and to find the area of a circle is
Pi times radius squared.
Thanks for joining us. See you soon.
See you next time. Don't forget to level up.